Hi, Peter here at Portland Nursery. We're at our division location today talking about fruit trees and when to buy them. Now, the majority of our fruit tree inventory are deciduous. That means that not only will they lose their leaves, but they'll go dormant during the cold months. During that dormancy period, the growers can actually dig them out of the ground, shake off the roots, and send them in bundles across the country. That keeps the cost low for us, but it also keeps the cost low for the consumer. Now, not only will you have your best selection in late winter, early spring, but this is the best time to plant these trees. Sure, spring is a great time for planting, but getting these trees in the ground closer to dormancy is the best practice. Now, planting these trees in the summer can be very stressful on these trees, and we do not recommend it. If you're watching this video in summer, fear not. Come into either of our locations and speak with one of our associates and make a plan for next winter. Whether you're looking for that tree that reminds you of home or you're looking for a tree to boost the yield of your current fruit tree, we're here to help. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.